Okay, so this is another 5 minutes hairstyle. Is it 5 minutes? Less than 5 minutes? What, round about that, yeah? So stay tuned, because if you want to see how to get this big natural puff, and shh, it's not mine, we'll get into the sauce when you join me for the video. And don't forget, subscribe down below. If you're new, welcome, check me out. Alright, as a naturalist, if you don't have a big comb, if you don't have a white teeth comb, you're not saying nothing. So let's see. Oh, Jesus. Hallelujah. Pull it up to the top. There you go. So I have this clip-on piece, right? I've had this for like about 2 years. What happened is it's old now, but I like when it's old. I don't throw it away because it looks like this. What I'm doing now with it is, because it's all nappy, it mimics the look of my hair, so it looks more natural. I think this is a free tress brand. I will link it down below. I bought it at the beauty supply store though, but I will search for the link and give it to you guys. So it has 2 clips in the end, one at the front, one at the back. So I'm going to pull the pin inside. Oh, just clip it on like I would regularly do with my hair, and pull the string. So it's big for the amount of space that it's latched onto. The cap is big, so I'm going to use hairpins to secure it, because you know when you're ready to do your dance and your salsa or your little dirty wine, you don't want it to drop off. So I'm just gonna put the hairpins in different sections. You can put enough to suit your style or your preference. Okay. Try to pin that string too, because you don't want it poking out. Especially, you know how some people have to go into the middle of the head. Is your hair this? Well, yes it is. I got it. What you mean? So my hair is stretched out a little, just at the top though. At the back it's okay, but the front I need everything to blend in. So I'm just gonna wet my hair a little. I'm just gonna try to blend everything together. I mean, you can fluff it out more if you want to, but this should be big enough. Out here catfishing people. This is the most. If your hair's like this and you can't do anything to it and it's so hard to manage and you don't know what I'm gonna do with my life, oh Lord, I'm having a meltdown, my hair is looking like a hot mess. Oh, I washed it and then it shrank and then it has no, I don't know what to do with myself.